Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Vinayak Arali. I'm working as a assistant librarian in Stonehall International School, Bangalore. I'm also a research scholar in Enapoya, deemed to be University, Bangalore. First of all, I would like to thank Ms. Pravina for inviting me and asking me to talk about Mendeley reference management software. Um, so before going to the session, I have some questions. Uh, I'll just give one scenario. So you just have finished writing 5,000 words article or a paper, and now and you feel accomplished. But that one time comes, a daunting task of writing 50 references in a APA or MLA style. Does it sound familiar? No, right? So, so a task that could take hours might only take minutes with the right reference management system. So today I'm going to explore how this reference management system will simplify the process of citing, writing references, and also sharing the references with your collaborators. So I was just reading that a recent study has revealed that most of the researchers, they will spend 20% of their time in writing the references manually. So what if I told you there's a smarter way to maintain the references management system? So with this introduction, I will just go to Mendeley. So I will just first I will share you what's the meaning of citation, why we should cite and all. So this is why. What are the reasons? Why we should cite. So first reason is to give credit to original authors. Citing acknowledges the work of original authors or creators whose ideas, research, or words you have used. This is a fundamental way to respect intellectual property and avoid plagiarism. The second reason is there are many reasons. So I have just chosen some of the important reasons here. So, to provide evidence for your arguments, by citing reliable sources, you strengthen the credibility, pursuance of your own arguments. It shows your work is based on established knowledge and supported by research. And the third reason is to enable readers to verify your work. So, according to me, this reason is one of the important reasons why we should cite, because citations provide a roadmap for readers to trace the sources of information you have used. So this allows others to verify your claims, further explore the topic, or understand the broader context of your research. For example, you are writing one article and you have used the in-text citation. So when the reader is reading your article, so he or she wants to know more about this article, he can directly uh, track the uh, track the article you have used in your work. For this reason, you have to cite it. And the fourth reason is to demonstrate research depth. A proper citation shows that you have thoroughly researched your topic, considered multiple perspectives, and built your work on a strong foundation of existing knowledge. The last, uh, but not the least, so why we should cite is to avoid the plagiarism. So failing to cite sources may lead to accusations of plagiarism, which is an ethical and legal violation in academic and professional settings. A proper citation ensures you are transparent about the origins of your information. So these are the main reasons why we should cite. So today I'm going to talk about Mendeley. So there are so many reference management systems are available in the market. So I have chosen Mendeley because it's very user friendly and it's a free software also. It's an open source software. We don't need to pay anything for this software. So anybody can download the software from the Google. So today I'm going to talk about how you are going to manage your references, how you're going to read and annotate PDFs, and how you're going to cite research while writing, and how you can collaborate with others researchers. So in Mendeley, there are three main aspects. So one is Mendeley reference manager, Mendeley site, and Mendeley importer. So I will just give you a demo of this one. so that you can easily understand why you have to use Mendeley. So I'll just, I hope you can see my screen. So you can directly go to, so I have already downloaded the Mendeley, research reference management systems. I will just show you how it works. So you can add the references here directly. You can add manually, and you can, and if you have already PDFs in your desktop, you can directly import those files into Mendeley. So I'll just give one example of how to add reference manually. So I'm using one journal article here. So I use Google Scholar for scholarly published articles. So right now I'm writing one article on institutional repository. So what is the importance of institutional repository in IB school? So now I'm doing a literature review. So I thought that this article is going to help for my article. So click on this one. So this is the title of the article. So if there are authors, you can directly write the author name here. The last name first and comma. So this is a Mendeley site. I mean, you have to. It's as easy as downloading the apps from the Google Store. See now. So when you clicked on the Mendeley web importer, so it will list all the articles which are shown on the Google Scholar here. So you can right side you can see 12 references detected on page. So now I would like to add, I mean, automatically to the Mendeley website. So now I'm going to use these articles for my work. So I'm going to add these articles. So you can see here institutional repository. These are my collection. So all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all 5 articles have been added to the my Mendeley reference management system. So once you added all the references, you will start writing the article. So here I will use Microsoft Word. Okay, when you click on the references here, you can see here Mendeley site. So you have to add the Mendeley site to the MS Word. It's adding. So now I'm going to write my article. So once the research, the question is formulated, you have to do the literature review, then you can start writing the article. So I'm going to write an article on need and importance of institutional repository in IB schools. So this is my article. I will start with introduction. See, I have already written one article. I will just copy this one. I will just show you how to add the citations in a Word document. So now I have written this paragraph, and this paragraph has not my own content. I have been taken this paragraph from someone else's work. So I need to add the citation to this document. I need to cite this article. So I'll just click on the Mendeley site here. So my collection will automatically show here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll just show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 articles. They will automatically show in the MS Word. I can show you in the Mendeley website also. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 articles I have added these articles into Mendeley reference management system software. And when I click on the MS Word also, you can see all the 5 articles here. I mean all the references here. So now I have taken this the first paragraph from this article. Just click on here, insert citation. So you can see this one. Automatically it will generate the in-text citation for this paragraph. And now I started writing again for the second paragraph. So I have taken this second paragraph from one of the articles from this, one of the articles from these 5 articles. So I have taken this information from this building institutional repository and overview. You can just click on where you need to put the site. You need to put the cursor here inside one citation. You can see in-text citation has been formulated at the end of the paragraph. So like this, you can change the citation style also. So now I am using American Psychological Association 7th edition, which is famously called as APS style. So if you are using MLA style, I will just show you. You can change citation. If you are using MLA 7th edition, you can click on this MLA 7th edition. If you are using MLA 9th edition, you can start writing the references using MLA 9th edition. IEEE one. So Vancouver, this is mostly used by medical researchers. So this is ASA 6th and 7th edition. So we have one more reference style called Nature. There are plenty of references styles are available in the market. So which one is suitable for you, and which journal is? So most of the journals, they will use APS style. So whichever you are familiar with, you can use that style. So like this, I will just give 3 more examples, and later at the end of the after writing the article, I will just show you how to add the bibliographies also. So now I have taken this information from one of those 5 articles. I'll just write it here, and you need to cite it. So put the cursor at the end of the paragraph. So now I'm using AP style. Uh, See, I'm using this article, Institutional Repository Interaction with Research Users, a review of current practice. So I have taken this information from this article, and now I want to add the in-text citation. Click on this. Just see. So in API style, in-text citation means first you have to write the last name of the author, comma, then the year. So this is called API style. So now I have taken this information and you want to add the in-text citation for this one. And I have taken this information from one of the articles, one of these 5 articles. Click on this. See, you can see here. So this article has been written by Jones in the year of 2006, and I have used John's article in my work, so that I have added the in-text citation for this article. So once you finished all the articles, I mean once you finished all the content of this article, at the end of the article you need to write bibliography. You can go here. So whatever you have used in in-text citation, so all those will be listed here at the end of your article. You just click here, insert bibliography. It will ask you your bibliography will be inserted at your cursor location. Okay, so you can see here. So you have used 4 articles in your work, and all those 4 articles have been listed at the end of the your article. For example, if you want to change the citation, then you can directly go here, click here, update citation style. So it will automatically changes the citation style. I will go with the MLA 9th edition. See, you can see the changes in the bibliography. And if you want to use the IEEE settings, see 1, 2, 3, 4. So each and every style has their own, unique styles. So whichever you are using, you should familiar with that one. So you can add the collection. For example, now you have finished writing a research. I mean, it's an article on institutional repository. So now you are involved with one more. Uh, work. I mean, for example, now you are working on child. So you are writing an article on child labor. You add the collection here in this collection. References. For example, I'll just show you one more example. You can just go here, child labor. Go to add-in, Mendeley Web Importer, click on the Mendeley Web Importer.
Mr. Vinayak, did you stop sharing your screen, sir?
Yeah. No, I not stopped.
But I'm not able to see your screen. It just disappeared.
Okay.
You last mentioned about child labor.
Yeah.
And you were trying to show how you can make changes. So that was the last.
Now you can see my screen,
Uh,
right?
you are sharing the, yes, now we are in the web page.
Yeah.
Yes, please continue.
Yeah. So you are writing an article on child labor. Go to Mendeley Web Importer. Sometimes it takes time to sign in for the Mendeley Web Importer. So meanwhile, I will just explain. So you can add references. For example, if you already have some PDFs in your desktop, you can directly import those files from here. You can just click on import files. See, all the PDFs which are available on your desktop will show here. So whichever you are using, you can just click here and you can uh, add to your Mendeley website. And if you have already so if those articles in one folder, so you can directly import all those folders into Mendeley website. Let's see whether it's so it's taking a lot of time. So I was just giving same example for child labor, like what I gave an example for the institutional repository. It's same like institutional repository only. So now I'm writing an article and see, I'm writing one article on IB versus CBS. I'm just doing one comparative study of IB versus CBS. So now I mean done all of the literature review and I have added all those references into Mendeley. So I have added more than 15 references here. So once I started writing an article, no, so I can use all these references to my article. So I'm writing one article on information science also. Now I've taken four articles which are familiar, which are related to my works. So I have added all those four articles into Mendeley. So I just show you how I worked on institutional repository. I thought I will give one more example, but it's taking more time. So
Yes,
I think, yeah,
we have only 5 minutes.
yes,
If we can wind up the screen sharing and start taking the questions.
yes, please, yeah,
Thank you. Very informative. So, this is the first time someone spoke about this tool, especially the Mendeley.
yeah,
It's new for me also. It helped me actually, like in
yeah.
learning new thing.
Okay.
So the first question is, how do you organize references in Mendeley?
So like I just showed, I mean, give the demo of this Mendeley only. So
Mhm.
Mendeley is a open source software, as I
Mhm.
said a little bit before. So you don't need to pay anything for this. So once for example, if you're using JSTOR, you can directly use the web importer for the JSTOR, and you can organize the references in alphabetical order also, and you can organize the articles on a year also. For example, there are you have taken 20 articles. So first article has been published in 1998 and the last article has been published in 2024. So you can organize the references in a year wise also. You can organize the references in a alphabetical also, and you can organize the references in a author name also. I mean the last name of the author that will comes first, and the for example, if an author name is starting from A, the first article will show on the first of the references, and the name which starts from Z, it shows in the last of the article. So like that, you can organize all the references in a Mendeley.
Mhm. So what other tools does Mendeley integrate with, sir?
So as I showed you right now, MS Word. So
Mhm.
you can add the Mendeley site to the MS Word so that you can directly import those references from the web importer to the MS Word. So,
Okay.
so right now only MS Word, so you can integrate Mendeley with MS Word.
Okay. So what advice would you give to new Mendeley users like me? I never used Mendeley.
So there are so many videos which are available on YouTube.
Mhm.
How to download the Mendeley, how to create an account in a Mendeley. So as I said before, it is as easy as downloading the apps from the Play Store. So it is very user friendly. As you know, there are many. Reference management softwares are available like Mendeley, Jotero, EndNote, Nodal tools. Why I have chosen Mendeley is it's very user friendly, and the second one is you can organize the references easily, and also you can collaborate with other researcher also. For example, I just took one example called child labor. For example, me and my friends, other three friends, four people are writing an article. So we can just share the collaborate the collaborate with the research. You can share the references to others also, so that for example, if I'm taking a references, if I'm doing a research, research literature review on child labor. So others three can also see what I'm using the references, which articles I'm using for the child labor, so that it's very user friendly. So anybody can use Mendeley, and it's free of cost also.
Are there any new features coming to Mendeley, sir?
Right now, there are no features. Only these features are available. So, but it will keep on updating. So, I have recently become a Mendeley advisor also from uh, Mendeley, so that I can give talks on Mendeley with other institutions also. So, I will get an update if there is an update has been taken place in the Mendeley. So, right now there are no features available. New
Nice to
features.
know that you have become an advisor, sir. It can be very helpful for the other schools also and people who want to learn from you, I guess.
Yes.
So thanks a lot, Mr. Vinayak Arali. Before we end the session, do you want to mention anything else, sir?
No, I'm just grateful for you for giving me this opportunity. So, because the first time I'm giving a talk, so I'm a little bit nervous. But yeah, so I will learn from my mistakes, and I'm grateful to you, and I'm very thankful for schoolreformer.com. Thank you.
It's absolutely very informative session, sir. As I said, this is the first time someone spoke about Mendeley and as a tool. I have learned it personally. So thank you for sharing your knowledge on our online platform. And we will end the session now, sir.
Thank you
Have
so
a great
much.
day.
Thank you.